When precision counts, this waterproof measuring tape steps in. No more worrying about damp conditions or unexpected spills. Whether you're redesigning your living room or planning a backyard project, accuracy is just a tape pull away. Ever been frustrated with subpar wire strippers? Say goodbye to that struggle. The Extreme Cut Wire. Stripping plier is not just a tool. It's your companion in every wiring job. From the complex circuits of your home appliances to the intricate designs of your DIY projects, this plier ensures precision. It doesn't just strip, it crafts. With a grip that's ergonomic and a blade that's fine-tuned to perfection, every wire bends to your will. Time to disconnect from the world, but not from your culinary desires. Imagine the cold breeze, the sound of nature, and a hot meal ready on your mini stove. This isn't just any stove. It's your foldable outdoor camping gas stove. Lightweight, yet sturdy, it's designed for the traveler's heart and the chef's soul.